Hello learners, welcome back to Lighthouse ERP Finance module. In the previous video, we understood investment management. Now in this video, we will learn a very important process used in business transactions. LC management in Lighthouse ERP. Let's understand this in a simple and practical way. What is LC? Letter of credit. When companies do large transactions, especially in import, export, high-value purchases, there is always a risk in payment. To solve this, banks come into the picture. A letter of credit, LC, is a guarantee given by a bank that payment will be made to the seller on time and for the correct amount. This makes the transaction secure for both buyer and seller. Why LC management is important? Without LC, payment risk increases, trust issues between buyer and seller, delay in transactions. LC management helps in securing payments through bank, managing large transactions, tracking LC status, monitoring bank-related charges and interest. Types of LC process. Simple understanding. LC is mainly used in two scenarios. Purchase LC, when we are buying. Sales LC, when we are selling. Both follow a similar process, so we will understand it in a simple combined flow. How LC management works in ERP flow. 1. LC creation. First step is creating the LC. LC is created based on purchase order or sales order, transaction amount, payment terms, validity period. This document is issued by the bank and linked with the order. 2. Document submission and confirmation. Once goods are delivered, documents are submitted to the bank. In purchase, buyer confirms receipt of goods. In sales, seller submits invoice to bank. This confirms that transaction is valid and ready for payment processing. 3. Bill discounting. Important step. Now comes an important stage. Bill discounting. Bank verifies the documents. Bank processes payment on behalf of buyer. This ensures seller gets payment faster. Bank charges and interest are applied. This step is known as LC bill discounting. 4. LC clearance. After payment is completed, LC is cleared or closed. If any balance remains, it is adjusted. LC is finalized. After closure, the LC cannot be used further. Monitoring and reporting. ERP provides strong tracking tools for LC. Dashboards show LC status, outstanding amount, payment progress. Queries and reports help in filtering LC data, tracking transactions, checking bank-wise and party-wise details. Advanced tools like LC Engine help in detailed analysis, decision-making. To summarize this video, LC management in Lighthouse ERP helps organizations secure payments through bank guarantee, manage purchase and sales transactions, track document and payment flow, handle bill discounting and bank charges, monitor LC status using dashboards and reports. This was a basic understanding of LC management in Lighthouse ERP. In upcoming videos, we will explore more financial processes and their practical implementation. See you in the next video, learners.